Hi there YouTube, this is Lynn38702 with my first Skylanders figurine review. And I know what you're wondering, where's Spyro? Well, I bought the Skylanders game on the PS3 without Spyro for $20 cheaper. And that's why he's not here. And I'll be reviewing Double Trouble first. Here's his stats. He has 75 attack, 50 defense, 30 agility, and 90 luck. Okay. And this is the figurine. At first, when you start using him, his lightning staff attack does only 10 damage, and his multiplied double does 16 damage. It's normal attack for the Skylander level 1 starting. But when you keep on playing with him and upgrade him, he's really good. It was really hard to find him. And I bought him in the single pack for $18. So yeah, hope this has convinced you to buy Double Trouble and hope you like it. Please subscribe.